Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Deidre. Jamaica Film and Television Association JAFTA has announced the JAFTA Propeller Top 10 shortlisted projects for round one of the judging rounds. Speaking with ePrime, JAFTA President Annalisa Chapman outlined the selection process for a film to be shortlisted.
Now, it's an entirely blind submission process. The judges have absolutely no idea who are the writers of the treatment at the time that they're deliberating, and their decision is based solely on the merit of the story and the merit of the treatment.
She also shared details on the award for the final 4 selected projects.
We're very excited this year. The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport has come on board as our production grant partner, and they are providing $500,000 per project. And of course, we have our long-standing market support partner, Jampro, who have been with us since the beginning.
One film, Dreadlock by Dale Virgo, has already caught the attention of the public. Speaking with ePrime, the record producer and engineer turned filmmaker shared the inspiration for the film.
The inspiration of the film is based on a true story that I had experienced and my family had experienced as it relates to my daughter being refused from, entering into a school because she had locks, so we decided to create a short film and enter it into the JAFTA Propeller, and we were shortlisted, so we're very much excited.
Dale Virgo is best known for producing music for top-tier artists like Rihanna, Drake, and Chronix. In 2018, JAFTA Propeller awarded local short films Agwe, Safe Harbor, Going Down, and Flight, which went on to win several awards in the Caribbean and in Europe. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Deidre. Thank you for watching.